Hi everyone, welcome to the Strong Badger Coffee House. My name is Brock Peters. I'm the Strong Badger here, and today we're going to learn how to make a latte. And a latte is one of these drinks. There's a lot of different ways to make it. Not really a right way or a wrong way. As long as it tastes good, you're off to the races. The way we make it here, it's 1 shot of espresso to 10 ounces of steamed milk. And I'm going to go ahead and get it going. So first I'm going to grind the beans. And usually you'll want a pretty fine grind, and I tend to use around 18.5 grams of coffee to make 1 shot, or about 33 milliliters of espresso. All right, the next step is to tamp the beans, and that's basically just to compress the coffee grounds into a little puck that the hot water is going to shoot through at a fairly high pressure. So first we're gonna tamp these grounds like so. And now we're ready to pull an espresso shot. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to purge the hot water, any hot water that's stuck in the group head here. I'm going to get that out of there. And I'll put my portafilter in there, and I will start pulling the shot. There we go. While the shot is pulling, I'm going to move on to the next step. And that's to steam the milk. And steaming milk, it's a little bit more of a feel thing. It takes a lot of time a lot of practice to really get a good feel for it. Again, I'm going to purge my steam wand just to get any extra milk or hot water left out of there. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to spin the milk. I don't want to get really big bubbles, but I do want to make what's called microfoam, which is very, very small bubbles. I want to get a nice, velvety, smooth, consistent foam. And now I'll groom the milk a little bit. I'll give it a couple of taps on the counter and swirl it around to make sure that it's nice and uniform. I want a nice sort of velvety sheen on the top of the milk there. When I first became a barista, people told me you'd have to steam 100 or 200 pitchers of milk to actually get a feel for it, and I thought that was crazy. I figured I could watch a YouTube video and just go for it. But it turns out it does take a fair bit of practice to get a good feel. And now I'm going to put it all together. The espresso, our espresso shot, goes into the cup. I'm going to put just a little bit of milk in there to temper the espresso. Swirl that around. And then I'm going to put the rest of the milk in. Some baristas are really fancy with their latte art. I usually do a simple design like this. And that's how we make a latte at the Strong Badger Coffee House.